Welcome to Saratakkar Higher Secondary School, Palayam Kottai. In this video, we learn about the topic is Advent of the Europeans from the 8th Standard Social Science, History Lesson 1. This video is part 3. Okay. The British. On 31st December 1600, Elizabeth, the Queen of England, granted a charter to the Governor and Company of Merchants of London to trade with East Indies. The company was headed by a governor and a court of 24 directors. Captain Hawkins visited Jahangir's court in 1608 to get certain concessions for the company. He secured permission to raise a settlement at Surat. After the Battle of Plassey in 1757 and the Battle of Buxar in 1764, the company became a political power. India was under the East India Company's rule till 1858, after it came under the direct administration of the British Crown. Then Danish. On March 17, 1616, the King of Denmark, Christian IV, issued a charter and created a Danish East India Company. They established settlement at Tranquebar in Tamil Nadu in 1620 and Zerambur in Bengal in 1676. Zerambur was their headquarters in India. They failed to strengthen themselves in India and they sold all their settlement in India to the British in 1845. This picture is Tranquebar, Danish fort. Danish called Tranquebar as Dansberg. The King of Denmark sent Ziegenbalg to India. Ziegenbalg set up a printing press at Tranquebar. It means Tarangam body, okay. Then the French. The French East India Company was formed in 1664 by Colbert, a minister of King Louis XIV. In 1667, a French expedition came to India under Francois Caron. France was the last European country to come India as traders. Caron founded the first French factory in India at Surat. In 1669, Markov founded second French factory in Mazulipatnam by securing a patent from the Sultan of Golconda. In 1673, the settlement of Pondicherry was founded by Martin under a grant from Sher Khan Lodi, the ruler of Bijapur. Pondicherry became the most important and prosperous French settlement in India. A fort known as Saint Louis was built by Francois Martin in Pondicherry. In 1673, the French obtained permission from Shaista Khan, the Mughal Subedar. Subedar means governor, okay, of Bengal to establish a township at Chandranagur near Calcutta. The French East India Company established factories in different parts of India, particularly in the coastal regions such as Mahi, Karaikal, Balzur and Kazim Bazar. These were a few important trading centers of the French East India Company. Okay. The vision of the French power in India was further enforced by the appointment of Joseph Francois Dupleix as the governor of the French East India Company in 1742. He succeeded Dumas as a French governor of Pondicherry. Thank you. History first lesson over.